What's going on, guys? In this video, we're breaking down the 5 best tennis rackets under $100. I have made this list based on sport type, frame material, price, and more. I have included options for every type of consumer. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Head TS6 Tennis Racket. Big brands like Babolat produce high-quality tennis rackets at an affordable price point for everyone. The Boost drive weighs 9.8 ounces, making it exceptionally light and stable, allowing you to swing with confidence. The major goal of this racket is to make learning the modern game as simple as possible for baseline players. It accomplishes this by being extremely light and easy to swing for all sorts of players. The racket has a 105-inch head size and a 27-inch length, and it's enormous with a large sweet spot, making it perfect for both beginner and intermediate players. Players have the opportunity to hit out on a variety of shots without having to be overly exact. Number 2. Head MicroGel Radical Tennis Racket. We cannot recommend enough Head MicroGel Radical, the best value tennis racket on this list. This is a versatile racket, suitable for intermediate and advanced players. During the manufacturing process, the brand has featured Head's MicroGel technology, which improves feel and comfort by absorbing the shock during impact and distributing the vibrations equally throughout the frame. It offers a high level of control, stability, and precision, allowing the player to direct the ball on the court and add depth with each shot. This head tennis racket is a great option for aggressive baseliner who prefer full and fast strokes. It has a slightly heavier balance, meaning the racket can swing faster and is relatively easy to maneuver. Number 3. Babolat Pure Strike 26 Tennis Racket. Babolat Pure Strike 26 is a junior racket designed for children ages 10 and up. It shares many of the features that the Pure Strike 3rd generation delivers, including the 16x19 string pattern. Using Pure Strike 26 as a child's first racket makes it easier to transition into adult-sized rackets. The racket carries a 26-inch frame, which is only an inch shorter than some full-sized rackets. It's light in weight as well. What's more, Babolat integrated the same technologies used in the adult version. The Pure Strike 26 fits competitive juniors who like to take control of the game by striking first. Number 4. Wilson Triumph Strung Adult Recreational Tennis Racket. Wilson Triumph is for players who are after a recreational tennis racket that doesn't burn a hole in the pocket. People who play at least once a week or a few times in a month will find the Triumph a decent racket to use. However, we do not recommend this for players who practice regularly or plan on taking tennis seriously. It lacks the technologies that Head MicroGel and Babolat Pure Strike offer, so you may be prone to having tennis elbow. On the bright side, it gives you a large head size at 112 square inches, giving you a bigger margin of error. What's more, it features a string pattern geared for plow-throughs. The racket is quite lengthy, sporting the same 27.5 inch as the TS6 for extra power. Number 5. Head Graphene XT Radical MP. We featured Head Graphene XT Radical MP in our list for the best tennis racket under $100 because it is incredibly fast and generates heavy spin due to the smaller head size. This racket is ideal for fast swinging players with an aggressive game style. It performs well in all court areas, is highly responsive, and allows the player to redirect the ball with precision. This racket is very adaptable and easy to maneuver, making it easy to hit the ball even at difficult angles. It delivers a soft, nice feeling, allowing to connect better with the ball. The sweet spot is not particularly large, but it does hit clean in every shot. This head racket is very solid and has high levels of control which you can tap easily into. Surprisingly, the frame also delivers good power and speed. It is mostly suitable for a wide range of intermediate players who can take full advantage of this racket's amazing features. Check the links in the description if you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products we mentioned. I will try to keep it updated for the best prices. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped you out, please give the video a like and hit the subscribe button. I hope to see you guys in the following video. Till next time, I will see you later.